in my mind. Safe to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from yesterday.
Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. This week is gonna be a lot because I've just been like planning out shit. Like I literally have planned my whole month. Yeah, I planned out my whole month, how I want it to go. By special grace of God, I am a legit planner. I love to plan out everything. I like to plan my life. I like to plan my month, my week, my days. So like I plan in a sequential order. First I plan my month, then from my month I break it down to like weeks, and then from the weeks I break it down to now daily goals, right? Anywho, if you just see my face for the first time, hello, my name is Wendy and I am a content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. I love to create content around my life, around like self-help, self-care, self-development, just body, mind and soul, to be honest. And if that sounds like something that you like or sounds like something that you're interested in, then please subscribe. Okay, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Today is the 3rd of August, if I'm not mistaken. I think it is the 3rd. And yeah, by the way, I'm vlogging on my phone, so yeah, my camera is full, like full to the brim. I have no space. I can't delete anything. I haven't transferred anything, so I have to make do. And I promise to vlog and like carry you guys along, so I'm not trying to make any excuses. All right guys, enjoy the rest of the vlog and have a good rest of your week. You guys, I just got an order. I don't really excited. Like I woke up from sleep, Sunday sleep, of course. If you see me wearing this clothes, just know that it's Sunday, because this is my Sunday day dress. So I woke up from sleep and like, you know, the Sunday sleep that hits and then you wake up happy. And then I woke up to like credit alert and it's from my business, and I'm so happy. Oh, like nobody understands how excited I am right now. I look a mess, but I am so freaking happy. Like it's right here because I'm like checking out the order and the website. It's real. Okay. I'm going to like, I think I'll pack this up tomorrow. I have 2 orders to pack, so I'll pack them in the morning tomorrow before I go to the gym, or maybe later today. But yeah, like, Fisi amo. And then I went to buy some stuff. Jesus, things are so expensive. Hey, I just kept on shouting. I'm pricing. Price. Anyway, I'm home now and I just wanted to, show you guys some of the things I got and just like eat, freshen up and get to work. There's no time. There is no time. Anyway, I bought eggs. A crate of egg is 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira. These are vegetables. Okay, potato. So I bought like both sweet and Irish potato. I finished this early morning. 17,500 has gone. What did I buy? What did I buy?
a fine wine, better with age. I guess I learned it from my parents. The true love starts with friendship. Kiss on the forehead, a day night, fake an apology after a fight. I need a man who's patient and kind, gets out of the car and holds the door. I wanna slow dance in the living room like we're rated a senior prom and grow. Always someone who makes me feel young. I need a man who loves me like my father loves my mom. I wanna road trip in the summers. I wanna make fun of each other. I wanna rock out to Billy Joel and flip the kids off when they call us home. He likes it till we burn our dinner and let me be the scrub waiting. And when my body changes shapes, you say, oh my God, you look hot today. I need a man who's patient and kind, gets out of the car and holds the door. I wanna slow dance in the living room like we're rating a senior prom and grow. Always someone who makes me feel young. I need a man who loves me like my father loves my mom. If he lives up to my father, maybe he can teach our daughter what it takes to love a queen. She should know she's royalty. I need a man who's patient and kind, gets out of the car and holds the door. I wanna slow dance in the living room like we're rating a senior prom and grow. Always someone.
Go can you hear what I do with my life, oh? If you know like I'm pay Fatima. Go can you hear what I do with my money? If I go broke, I go container. Thanks for your concern, I get manager. Don't worry about me, worry about your airline. Underrated, but I'm still cashing out. It go shock you, say I get money, pass your favorite.
I just came here to show you guys my muscles. I know you can't see it. You can't see it, but it's there. Look at it. You cannot see it, but it is there. You have to look well to see it. But take a look at this. And look at this bunda. Can you guys see that? By that I'm done with this nyash. By the time I finish with this booty, I'm not going to gym again this week. I go 4 times in a week, just so I have like enough rest. So I did like back to back, and I did it intentionally, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No, when like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so that I can have like a very long weekend. Like a weekend in my life. This weekend is gonna be so great because I'm just going to be indoors throughout. I just came to show you guys my progress so far. Anyway, I'm happy, Sha. I'm happy. Can you guys see this? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Lonely at the top. Lonely, lonely, lonely. Money on my mind. Money, money, money. Don't care what they yarning about me in particular. Try on the road chasing my dream because I know. Chasing for me. Wanna love like a man, mama love. Barakata, Ikisha, my love. Everyone select, come along. No, they find anybody, no money, I want. No, they hear what the people they talk. Once again, I shall get it, love. There's a life from no one, no get another one. I go take and do it in a love. Waiting a love. Waiting a love. Waiting a love. Waiting a love.
then today is the next day, and I'm going to Unilag. Like, I don't want to, like, after the shade that school showed me, I don't want to even go near the school. I'm not interested. But apparently I just have to go today to get my TRCN form. TRCN is like a body in Nigeria that governs the whole teaching sector. So for me to get my license, I have to get like a TRCN and do the exam. So I'm not getting this license for anything, basically. Like, I just want to have it just in case, because like it is recognized globally, just in case I decide to open a school in the future, or I just decide to do something big, or I decide to run a charity. Yeah, I can do that with my license. So yeah, I'll just be on my way. And then later today I have to also pick up my shipment. It's coming in today. I'm so excited about that, because I've been waiting for this thing for almost 2 months, and they've just been telling me one story or the other, but it is finally here. I'm sorry I'm looking out, like this whole place is facing like outside. I'm seeing everybody working, but yeah, I'll just be on my way now, and by special grace of God, I'll be able to do my clearance and finish it today. Like, if I'm able to finish that clearance, then I won't be too mad. I won't be too mad about leaving my house today. But yeah, let's head out.
That's nuts, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? You the man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego.
You guys, I just got home. Like, I'm still on the staircase. I can't carry myself upstairs. I'm so freaking tired. Like, there is no day I go to this school and like I just do everything seamlessly. I am so, like, you can tell from, you guys saw me in the morning now. Haba. I'm so tired, but like I've been able to also pick up my stuff from Cynthia, so yeah, that's good. We'll unbox all of that tomorrow, and then I get to, I don't know if I'm losing my hair. I'll probably lose my hair tomorrow, get that out of the way, and then I'll figure out what I want to do with the hair. Yeah, all right, bye. Good morning. I've been up for a while. Yeah, but I've been like cleaning up. Today is Saturday, so yeah, Saturday in my African house. What do we expect? I've been cleaning up, and like I didn't do much, but I cleaned up my room and then the bathroom. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys. I got these slippers. Hold on. I got these slides from Fashion Fit, and it just, I opened it already. But this is what it looks like. It looks so, and this is handmade, by the way. It looks so like, wow. Look at this. Like, look at the detailing. It looks so good, like, and so strong. Can you guys see this leather? Can you see this? It looks so good, like, and I wore it. I tested. I tried it on when she gave it to me. And this is Michelle's brand, by the way. And then she gave me this perfume from Pandora. Well, I've also kind of opened it, but I just kind of want to show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. my nails are a mess. I'm a mess. But I'm really going to just close off this vlog here. I would show you guys my other package in the next vlog, and then I have to go like take off my hair, make all backs, probably be working week for this week, and then next week I have a wedding to attend, so I'm thinking of just making packing gel for it. Therefore I have to just make all back and then wash this hair so my hair can also like get to breathe. Then I'll probably like get my nails done. I need to sort this out ASAP. Sort this out, then maybe manicure, pedicure, then maybe, I don't know, lashes. Highly doubt. Maybe just get my brows in shape. But these brows, bruh, bush. Have you guys ever met a jungle? That's how I would describe my brows. Because tell me why, like last year, ending of last year, it hasn't been a year, I went to get my brows microbladed, thinking that the microblading will help me stop it from like growing out, but like it was just like I was just wasting my time. Like, can you guys see this? Like, it doesn't take 1 week and then it's back to this. Like, I have to take care of it every single week, and it's tiring, it's exhausting. But yeah, that's just basically it. I'm just here to close off this vlog. We'll start a new one today. Yeah, most likely today. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Like, if you got to the part of the vlog, I don't even know what to say, because I know that this vlog was so long, but if you got to this part of the vlog, thank you so much for watching. To the 200, 300, 400, 500, 1000 of you that would watch this vlog, just want to say thank you. Even 2000, let me not reduce myself to nothing, right? But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. And until then, please do stay safe, be good, okay? Be jiggly bubbly, and yeah.